What you doing now, Dave?
Making beef liver.
Or should I say, what you doing now, Chef Dave?
Chef Dave.
Beef liver.
Yeah.
That's not that many people's favorite kind of food.
I know. I love it.
But it's probably not their favorite because they don't do it right, huh?
That's right. You gotta know how to do it.
We're Dave and Karen from Walks on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
I'm crying right now.
Why are you crying?
Cutting up onions.
Oh.
Living onions.
Dave wanted one of his favorite meals, which happens to be a favorite meal of Billie. She has her houseboat down here. She lives on it.
One of our neighbors.
She loves liver. So Dave is making...
Calves, liver, and onions with bacon.
And what else you serving with it?
Mashed potatoes and broccoli.
Homemade mashed taters.
Yep.
And gravy.
And ground gravy.
And homemade cucumber salad.
Yep.
Yum. Billie's in for a treat. So are we. And
The world is in for a treat.
And what's so special about your liver and onions?
Well, I use bacon. And calves liver.
And any liver I've had in the past has been like dry.
Oh, this is guaranteed not to be dry. Guaranteed. What are you making there, Karen?
I'm making cucumber salad.
Look at that. It slices, it dices. It's the ginsu.
Alright. Super easy to make.
How do you make it?
Peel the cucumber,
Peel the cucumbers.
slice it up. I had a batch already started and it got a little low, so I'm adding more cucumber to it. But what you do is you just add sour cream. And it can be pretty generous. It will water down a little bit from the cucumbers, and you can just kind of drain that off if you don't like it. And this is 3 ingredients: cucumbers, sour cream, and it has to be Martin's Nature's Seasoning, no MSG, and no carbs. And you want to be real generous with this too.
Call that generous?
Well, there's a bunch in there already. You taking a picture of it?
I am. I'm zooming in.
And then just taste it and just keep tasting it. And it's good if it sits for a while.
It's better if it sits for a while.
Yeah.
A little bit more.
I usually find that I add a little bit more right before I serve it too. This lasts, how long do you think this lasts in the refrigerator, Dave?
Oh.
5 days?
Yeah, at least 5 days.
And there you have it. What's the first thing you got to do here, Dave?
Well, I cook up bacon.
You always like using a skillet too, don't you?
Oh, for bacon, yeah. It's the only way to cook bacon.
And how much bacon are you going to cook for this?
Maybe half pound.
And you're going to be using the grease from the bacon to cook your liver in, right?
Bet. Fry the liver in. That's the whole trick.
And you got your potatoes sitting here getting ready to go. And what's in that pan?
That's my onions. Getting
Ooh.
ready to go.
Is that just being sauteed in butter?
Yep. You saute the onions down after you fry the liver
In the bacon
in
grease.
the bacon grease. See, you don't want to fry the liver all the way through. You want to keep it somewhat rare. And then you take the liver and put it in on top of the onions and steam it.
And let it finish cooking.
Let it finish cooking. That way the liver stays nice and tender and juicy. It does not end up like this.
Like a flip-flop?
Like a flip-flop.
Like the sole?
Flip-flop. But the bacon you want to fry real crisp, and that's more of a garnish on top of the liver and onions. You crumble it all up after you plated it
Oh,
on top of the liver and onions.
okay.
And it can be served with some brown gravy. Some people like it with brown gravy, so you put brown gravy on the side.
Okay. And we're going to cheat on that one. We're just going to use the old envelopes.
Yeah, we're
Okay.
cheating on the brown gravy.
Yeah.
Well, what are you doing now?
I'm trying to cram as much broccoli into my little Instant Pot as I can. I have one of those metal vegetable strainer thingies in there with about a cup of water. Put my broccoli in here. I salted it as well. And I'm going to cook mine. If you like it a little crunchy, do it for about 1 minute and then quick release it. If you like it a little more tender, go 2 minutes. The last time we did it for one, we thought, it'd been better if it was cooked a little bit more, so we're going to go for 2 minutes this time and see how it goes.
You go with a quick release on the end of the tube?
Yeah, then just, once the 2 minutes is over with, shut it off, and then shh, like that.
What was that?
Shh. That's
All right.
Oh, there's Dave's crispy bacon. Well, you got plenty of it, don't you think?
Oh, way too much, right?
Uh-huh. How's it looking?
Getting there.
Okay, potatoes are boiling, onions are sauteing. This is going to be for gravy, right?
Right.
And that's your pan. Got to use a skillet, right?
Gotta be a skillet.
And what you got here in your absolutely fabulous cookware?
I have flour, salt, and pepper.
That's it?
That's it.
Just got some secret ingredients for your mashed potatoes.
Let me try one of these. Let's see how that is. Oh, we still got a long way to go.
Your secret ingredients are what?
Love. Here's my secret ingredients.
A lot of butter and
Half
some,
a stick of butter and about, what is that, about 2/3 cream cheese.
Yeah.
Heat it up in the microwave.
for about 20 seconds.
Yeah, just to get the cream cheese pliable.
Yeah, it'd be about 20 seconds
And then,
probably.
and then you put the taters in it, and then a couple scoops of sour cream.
Salt and pepper.
So, oh, plenty of salt. Gotta have salt. It ain't mashed potatoes without salt.
So 2 big scoops of sour cream.
Yep. We'll work
So no,
that.
there's no milk or half and half or anything like that. It's cream.
Making those from scratch, huh?
I grew them taters, man.
You did?
Right on the back porch.
This is Billie. She's coming over to have dinner with us. She's another liver lover.
Yes,
I'm
I am.
I'm a liver liker, but I used to not like liver until Dave made it, and then I liked it.
That's
roll-
how we do it.
Roll around in the flour.
Flop it around in the flour.
Okay. We get that like medium high.
Yeah, right around there. So it could go up.
And what do you think about 45 seconds on each side?
Yeah, about that minute. 45 seconds. I think we're about ready. Look at that, huh? Oh, yeah.
You just got that on low over there, don't you?
Yep.
And I just had this go off, so I turn my little nozzle through. Oop, just dropped. Ready to open. There it is. How's it going over here?
It's a going. Look at that. Let that simmer for a little bit.
Okay. How long are they going to sit on top of the onions?
About 5 minutes, five or so. Enough to make gravy. On the taters. There you go, look at that.
You're missing your broccoli.
It's coming.
And your cucumber salad.
I'm running out of room. Oh yeah. There we go.
Oh, come on.
Here we go. That's a meal fit for a king. Oh, look at that. Oh.
The liver good?
It's delicious. It's just right. It's tender. It's not overcooked. It's cooked perfectly.
And this lady don't lie. She tells it like it is.
I'm a connoisseur of liver.
So how's the potatoes?
Potatoes are fantastic.
Silky smooth.
They are. They are creamy, delicious.
Silky smooth, but still has lumps.
That's right.
Homemade.
Oh boy.
You're in heaven.
I'm not in heaven.
This is very tender. It's really good.
It is.
That's all you got to say?
Yum, I'm eating.
All it needs is eating.
BLF, best liver forever. What?
I'll write home about it.
There you
I'll
go.
make a video about it.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.